Hi friends, thanks for coming. Today we're going to do an awesome meditation that's going to help with self-animosity. This is something that we always need to work on because we're confronted with the animosities in the world, which can directly affect our energy. So we want to be able to maintain a neutral place, a place of peace within, in order to navigate our best selves. Before we begin, let's talk about animosity, self-animosity. Self-animosity comes from shaming or from being told a certain thing as a child that isn't in harmony with your true nature. We encapsulate this belief system in ourselves, almost in our subconscious, that causes this self-animosity to arise later in life. We can't navigate our childhood to be perfect because we're in the hands of caregivers and we're learning from our world around us. So it's really important as we become adults, or even as children still, to practice a meditation that can remove self-animosity. Given the world today with the injustices and the wrongdoings, things that we're exposed to in our public environment may cause an ancestral remembrance of the wrongdoings that we have been related to, or having involvement that we didn't even know we had involvement in, but it's through our bloodline or through our energetic ancestry. It's a bit of a complicated web that we weave here in the human design, in this human world. When we practice meditations like this, we can really come out of it and be a vibration for inner healing that will ripple out into our world and help others. Self-animosity comes from also being taken advantage of or not being recognized for the gifts that you want to bring to the world. I struggle with that a lot. Sometimes I feel like I'm not seen, and envy and jealousy can also result in resentment, and that can also be part of self-animosity. It's interesting because animus, the Latin derivative, means temper. So let's get to it. You know, I love to get talking sometimes, but we'll get into the meditation now. This is what we need to do. Hands together at the fingers, thumbs together, up to your heart center. So you're just resting, relaxing your shoulder blades down on your back, and you're going to have a straight spine. We're in our yoga position, right? So we have our butt cheeks pulled up. We're bringing our navel point into our spine. That allows our heart space to open. And our chin is tucked in slightly. It's parallel to the ground. We're comfortable. Our knees are below our hips. We have our fingers together and our thumbs together like this, and we're bringing this posture in front of the heart. We're going to gaze at the tip of our nose. Okay? And we're going to inhale all the way, big 5 seconds. Through the nose, exhale. Through the mouth, inhale. Through the mouth, exhale. Through the nose. All right? Gazing at the tip of the nose, inhale. arms up above your head. Inhale in deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Close your eyes. And gaze at the third eye, the point between the eyebrows. Inhale naturally, in and out through your nose. Hands in Gyan Mudra on your thighs. Bringing your hands into prayer pose, the feminine, the masculine together. Bow your head, gently open your eyes and gaze at your fingertips. Giving thanks for yourself, for the peace within, that absolute silence, the absolute love that's always there. That's truth. Well, I feel much better. I hope you do too. Let me know if that helps you. If you feel like you need to do more, just go ahead and get right back into it. If you're still feeling some energy of animosity, because we don't need to have that. We don't need to carry that. No. We deserve better because we're made from love. Enjoy your day or your evening, and ring the bell and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we'll see you next week. Bye for now.